Hello everyone. Are you ready to make smarter property investment decisions? I'm Kate Hill, qualified property investment advisor and full-time property investor. I am here to help you cut through the noise with honest, no hype advice. If you want real strategies, real tips, zero fluff, you are in the right place. If you've been thinking about buying an investment property, but you are frustrated by the lack of good stock on the market or overwhelmed by constant bidding wars, you are definitely not alone. Stay tuned. In today's property market, the old way of buying established properties just is not delivering the same value that it once did. That's why more and more investors are choosing to build new, and that is exactly what we help our clients to do, from start to finish. Now, this is not a new service for us here at Adviseable, but I think it's worth mentioning to all you lovely people out there. Our new build investment property service is a fully supported, independent solution for investors who want to build smarter with the right strategy in the right location. So here's how it works. We help you secure quality infill land or knockdown rebuild sites or quality house and land packages in high growth areas. And we work only ever with trusted builders to design a property tailored to the local market and to your long-term goals. So let's look at some of those great advantages of new build. There is better cash flow. New builds can offer high rental yields and lower maintenance costs. There can be stronger capital growth potential. We help you design the right property for the right suburb, maximizing long-term value. There are amazing tax benefits. Enjoy generous depreciation allowances that you simply don't get with older and established properties. You are more in control, there's less competition, no more auctions, no more bidding wars. Secure your land and build with confidence. There are lower costs, believe it or not. You'll pay stamp duty on the land component only, not the entire property. We offer tailored strategies where we help match the build and location to your goals, risk profiles, and your timelines where possible. We do not work for any builder or developers. We work for you. Our advice is completely 100% independent and nationwide. So we will always recommend what is in your best interests. So whether you are a first-time investor or you're looking to expand your portfolio, this service gives you clarity, control, and a high-performing asset built for long-term success. If you are ready to invest smarter, you want real support from start to finish, then we would love to help you. Take a look at the service details below and get in touch with us to book your initial session. So let's build something great together. If you're serious about investing in 2025, then this is the starting point for you. Send me a quick email, which I'll put in the description below, with all your contact details. Let me know you're interested. Then we can have a chat. We get a feel for what you're trying to do and see if our new build service is the right fit for you. If you are ready to stop looking for that elusive listing out there and start building and just getting on with it, then this is your path forward. As always, everybody, thank you for watching. I do really appreciate it, and I will chat to you soon. Bye for now.